beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Now we are making a powerful hair recipe for our hair, and we are starting off with onion peel. Now we all use onion in our kitchen to cook and also for our hair as well. So the best thing is just that whenever you use onion, just to reserve the peel and just keep it will not spoil. Yes, it will not spoil. Just reserve and keep, then use it for your hair. Now the next wonderful ingredient is called rosemary. Rosemary, you can get it in the market and you can get the plant. You see these two ingredients, they are very very powerful for your hair. Yes, I can't overemphasize like the benefit of this. Now please note that I used hot water. Please use hot water so that the onion peel, the rosemary can actually dissolve well in water. Do you understand? Now I was doing lazy work here. I'm supposed to stir it with a spoon. So please and please stir it with a spoon and just leave it for at least 36 hours. Yes, leave it, just leave it. It can't spoil, don't worry, it can't spoil at all. So this is how it looks after 36 hours. I left it more than a day though, but yes, and look at it, no mold on it. It cannot spoil actually. And guys, the smell, like, it was not even giving any smell at all. Like it was not giving any smell. Like it was just normal, like normal. Like I didn't perceive any onion smell in the stuff because I've left the peel for some days. It has like dried and all the smell have gone, and also the rosemary smell has like covered the onion smell. Do you get? So I what's it called, I drained it and removed the residue from what we need. We only need the water. Squeeze so that I can get everything from it. Then the next thing is to um add it to my spraying bottle. So that is just it. So if you don't have a spraying bottle, please, I sell, you can get from me. And yes guys, can you see the color of that? Like, just tell me how you're gonna use this and it won't grow your hair massively. Like guys, it won't grow your hair massively. So that is just it. So actually I do recommend that whenever you spray your hair, you seal your hair, you see your the moisture in your hair with oil. So if you don't know, I've posted this oil. Yes, I've posted this oil, and these are the ingredients I used for the oil. Sure, you get, this is made with rosemary, hibiscus, child seed, black, so many ingredients. I've posted the video, you can check out how I made the oil. But I left the oil for 3 months though, so I don't have any much oil left, so I needed to sieve some out of the oil I made. Sure you get? So please and please, whenever you spray your hair, don't forget to add oil. And I've posted how I made this oil. So when you spray your hair, you add some oil so that your hair, your scalp can like you can like your scalp can absorb more water and you can retain more water. It will not dry off because of the oil you added to it. Do you get? So this was the leftover that I was talking about. So I just added the leftover back to the stuff. So I don't like sieving all my oil at once. I just sieve the little that I will just need for at least 1 week. Do you understand? So I don't really like sieve all. Even this one is just too much. It's because of YouTube, or because of camera. I'm still going to pour it back because this one is even more than, I'm going to use it for more than a week. Shake it. So the next thing, just shake. So maybe anytime you just remember your haul, just shake so that everything can mix all together. Sure you understand? And like I do say, it's not when you add 1 baler of water to your sprays, that's when it will work. Little is just enough. Sure you understand? So just shake and shake, then leave it So anytime you remember, maybe in the next 3 days or 4 days, just shake. See the way I was shaking it aggressively. So just shake, and that is just it. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me saying that please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and bye for now.